respect, I think, is the core and the center of our being. You have to respect yourself, first of all. And then it goes back to respecting what's around you. And the Native Americans, I think that they were the embodiment and the epitome of respect. You know, their animal, the number one animal for, especially for the Plains Indians, was the buffalo. One of the things I admired and respect so much about them was there'd be these huge herds of buffalo. And rather than just to kill them and take the specific parts, let's say the tenderloin or something like that, they used the entire buffalo.
Well, I know I keep saying everywhere that I go, and everywhere that I stay, I'm like, oh, this place is awesome. Well, I'm at another awesome place. Go figure. I'm really glad I'm using that hip campsite, because the hip camp, you could just find so many amazing places. So, remember how I said that I will be staying in cabins every once in a while, just to regroup and everything. I'm finding better deals on cabins than I would hotel rooms. And I don't want to stay in hotel rooms, because when you stay in hotel rooms, I'm out there in civilization, and I don't want to be around that. I want to just be in nature. So this place right here that I'm at, it's a buffalo farm. I'm on another buffalo farm. I just left one buffalo farm to come to another buffalo farm. So, I got pretty lucky with this. I actually booked the place online through Hip Camp, and when I booked it, I guess there was a mess up with my reservation, and one of the nights wasn't available. And the owner of the property, his name is LC, he called me right away, and he was so apologetic, and yeah, very nice guy. So long story short, I get here and they've upgraded me to their nicer, well, the nicest cabin, meaning it's the biggest cabin. I feel like I am in luxury right now compared to how I've been living. You know, because I live in my Jeep. So, definitely feel like I'm in luxury right now. There's a hot tub on the back porch. There's a long little walkway on the back porch that has a little table and chairs on it that I can just enjoy the scenery back there. There's a bathtub. I haven't seen a bathtub in a while. And it has jets in it. The whole entire cabin, this is the cabin behind me, it's made out of cedar, and him and his brother built these cabins. The cabin is beautiful, and you can just smell that cedar inside of the cabin. So I think that's just awesome. So on their farm, not only do they have buffalo, but they have lots of other animals. They have alpaca, emu, peacocks, turkeys, chickens, goats. I know I'm forgetting stuff. They're a donkey, mini horses. They have a lot of animals. And you guys know I love animals, so I'm pretty excited to see all the animals. And the buffalo. And then in the area, their wildlife, they do have black bears, wild hogs, and deer. So, and he said that I'm definitely probably going to see some of the wildlife. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to go see all these animals, and he's actually going to give me a little personal tour and everything, and I'll be able to feed the animals. I don't know about the buffalo, but, so yeah, I'm excited to be here, and I can't wait to go meet all these animals. what's her name?
Leanne.
Leanne. Hi, Leanne. Hi. Do you want to do an interview real quick? What is your favorite foods?
That is Limu, the emu's first cousin. But you know that's not right. That's
Oh, goodness.
just joking. Sorry about that.
My goodness. That face and those eyes. Hello. It almost looks human-like. So he said this alpaca is very sketchy around people, but he said that he's a little shocked on how close he's letting me get her to her. I have a way with animals. Come here. I don't want to approach her. She's very sketchy, so. This one is eating my hair. Oh my goodness. I was down on the ground just now and he came up behind, or she came up behind me and just started eating my hair. That's funny. Animals love my hair. Okay, so one of the things that I am most excited about here at this cabin is, first, let me tell you guys, so it's probably been over a year since I've had an actual, like, bath. Now, hold on, I've had showers, tons of showers, but not baths. So when I bought my RV, obviously, there's not a bathtub in my RV. There's only a shower, a small shower in my RV. So yeah, so ever since I've had my RV, I've never actually relaxed in a bathtub or had like a bath. So, of course, this cabin has a bathtub here. But I just filled it up and it has bubbles in it. So I'm about to take my first bath and a bubble bath on top of it. And over a year, this is probably going to be the most relaxing bath I've ever had in my life. But, hold on, I'm just got to turn this around to show you guys. So before I show you the awesome thing I'm about to show you guys, I am about to relax in the bath with a little speaker there. So I'm going to turn on some meditation music. I'm going to turn the light off. And I have it on my favorite color, red. So hold on. Wait, guys, wait. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Where's it at? Where? Oh, there it is. What? You guys know I'm about to be in heaven right now. After not having an actual bath in over a year, not being able to relax in an actual bath in over a year, and now I get to relax in that with a little jet spa thingamajigger thing. I am so excited right now, guys. Now you guys know it is not my style, and it is not me to be one of those people that are going to get inside that bathtub and get underneath all those bubbles and then video me underneath all the bubbles and so on forth. It's just not my style. Sorry. So That's what you get to see right there. And now I'm about to, I feel like I'm having like a spa day right now. So, yeah, I'm so excited. Yay! Well, it's my last day here at this cabin. I'm a little sad because this cabin's pretty awesome and all the animals and everything. So I'm about to go back and go meet the owner of the place, LC, and do some drone footage because I haven't done drone footage yet. So I'm gonna go do that. I have to say, he's very knowledgeable on a lot of things. And you guys know how I feel about the Native American history. Like, I'm so infatuated with the Native American history. I love everything about it. And to listen to him talk about the Native American culture and history was pretty awesome. Like, they use the buffalo the same way the Native Americans use the buffalo. They use every bit of the buffalo, like every bit of them, from the head to the ears to everything. And he talked about how buffalo is meant for strength, and, you know, strength and everything. And then he asked me if I've ever had buffalo meat. Well, obviously I've had buffalo burgers. I think a lot of people have had buffalo burgers. So he is actually making a buffalo roast today, so I can taste the buffalo roast, or have some buffalo roast. So I'm pretty stoked and pretty excited to try the buffalo roast out, because all I've ever had is buffalo hamburgers. So yeah, it's been an awesome stay here, and the family that owns all this, you know, like, it's the guy LC that owns the property, and then his sisters are out here and everything, and he has a brother out here too. But yeah, they've all been really awesome, and I've enjoyed talking with LC. He's a very people person, and just listening to him tell the stories and talk about his property, I love how he's just very passionate about all of the stuff that he has. Like, I love talking to people like that. It's so awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna go do some drone footage, and then I look forward to that roast later. Okay, sorry, dude. Sorry.
Better
The one with the big head intimidates me. Gonna try it one more time. Here, we'll go to you. You're way away from him. You kind of have a big head too. Oh, there we go. Look at that. They have a lot of snot on their noses. I can't believe I just fed them with my hand. That is crazy. I thought when I was in South Dakota on the back of that motorcycle and they came up beside me and I was freaking out like that. I mean, at least there's a gate between us. But I just put my hand up to his mouth and fed him. Never in a million years thought I'd be doing this.